Oh. Excuse me. Yo, what's
Perspective. Some people think I...
You know, pulling out all the bells and whistles, you know, rolling out.
Most of the dead descend to the fields of asphodel.
Audio. Jeez. Sorry. Like,
passive in the moment, and I don't mind it.
Netflix. Oh, he also is James. That's the. Excuse me. Excuse me.
They allegedly reached high levels of David Grush, testifying before a number of different Native American cultures.
I was like, wow. Excuse me. Jeez. Man, my God.
Attention.
Excuse me. Sorry. So, oh God. This is where